Welcome to video 4 of the Solutions Superhighway. In today's video, we're going to cover the final tool in the 3-step process of problem solving. All right, let's take a moment and review what we learned in video 3. Now, we looked for patterns in which you did things and why. We understood that it's not uniquely what happens when you take action, it's what happens after you take action. What are the consequences? We identified also critical moments. Once you find these, it's a breeze. Now, taking a look at the action, look for the critical moments in your life. You identified when they happen and what you can do to initiate a new behavior to establish more success in the future. How did that go? What were some of the critical moments and the formulas for success in those critical moments? All right, now to review the 3 stages of problem solving, thanks to Adam T. West. Stage 1 is guess and test. Stage 2, recognize the patterns, and in those critical moments. Stage 3 now, creating efficiency within the pattern. Do what works faster. Once we've tried something, we recognize what doesn't work, what does work, we eliminate what's not working for us, and we recognize the patterns for success. Now we can work within those rules and those patterns to become more efficient. How many of you are confident that you know the patterns in your life that will create success? Have you guess and test, found those patterns, and are you ready to start doing them faster? Or you could actually delegate those solutions to others so you can move faster with success and others as well. Create efficiency within that pattern. When you discover a pattern that works, rinse, repeat, induce efficiency. Take a look at your workforce. What are some of the solutions and how can you create efficiency? Look at your home life. What are some of the problems you encounter? What are the solutions? How have you guessed and test? What are the patterns and how can you increase the efficiency within your home? All right, take the pattern, do it quicker and better. So some tips to creating efficiency. One is my favorite question, how can I? Can really combine with what's another way. I like the question, what's a better way? How can we do this faster, better, cheaper, more efficiently? And what's a better way to create efficiency in our workplace, in our home life, in my daily life? Again, I'm going to reiterate, planning is a great way to create efficiency throughout the week. And what are the phantom rules as well as a great tool for us to consider as something that holds us back from creating efficiency? You may think, I've got to do it all myself. Well, that may be a phantom rule. Or maybe I've got to exchange exactly hours for dollars. Well, that may be a phantom rule. Possibly there is a more efficient way to get things done. So here are my 2 action items for you to practice this week. Take action soon, experiment with them, and find what your patterns are. Number 1, recognize one pattern that is not working for you in your career or your home life. What is the critical moment when you move into that pattern? What's the trigger or the cue that moves you into that pattern that's not working? And how can you change it? Momentum step number 2. Recognize one pattern that is working for you in your career or your home life. How can you create more efficiency in that pattern to gain more success? In conclusion, recognize the patterns in your life and your goals. Create a formula to overcome those limiting patterns. Your old patterns are sabotaging your success and keeping you from getting your goals. By recognizing both the working and non-working patterns, you can get your goals and success quicker.